Switch on the headlights. Oh, it's almost evening. Look, it's dark now. The lights are not working. It's not safe to drive without lights. Let's stop here only. Drive when there is daylight. It's morning. The car needs to go to the Dr. Sid's garage. Oh, here is Dr. Sid. Let's get the lights checked. Switch on the side lights. That's correct. They're working properly. Oh, the rear lights are working properly. Time to check the headlights now. Let's remove them. Let's repair them. Need to open it first. Oh, need to change the bulbs.
Put new bulbs.
Very good. Let's fix it back. Yay! Kindly check the headlights now. Oh, they're working. Doctor said you're so clever. You did it